My simplums were hacked. I choked, turned blue, then lost consciousness, and woke up. My client, Indira Baratso, won't be so lucky if she doesn't strike a deal with her blackmailer. The lowlife in question, Milko Alexis. He works for the Voodoo Boys. You know what to do. If anything's unclear, read the attached details.
Activating defense systems, 40%.
Commencing neutralizing threat. Classifying.
Systems, 100%. System failure. System failure. Area scan in progress. Human life signature detected. Initiating evacuation protocol. Unlocking emergency exit.
Hey, careful with that. I'm linked to the runner, see? Don't want him to catch a ricochet, huh?
Netrunner, blackmailer, murderer. He's my hit.
He has some dirt under his nails, yes. But Milko, he's a no one. A small fish in a big pond. I am Agent Alan Noel, Netwatch. Organized crime specialist. I'm sure we can work something out.
Okay, Agent Alan Noel, Netwatch Organized Crime Specialist. Get out of my way.
At least let me unplug from Milko.
Fine.
Ah! Fuck! Do you have any idea what you just did? You just ruined a Netwatch operation costing in the tens of thousands.